Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. Today's video is going to be about putting the SUEDE on the actual headliner. I did end up actually losing some clips, so I don't have the full video put together, but this should do just fine. It's a quick 2-minute video or so, so I hope you guys do enjoy this. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, go ahead and leave it below, and then I'll see you guys after the video. Okay, so this is really hard to show. I don't really have a lot of space to do this, but I have the headliner on a foldable table with the top side down. So technically this is the side you would see. And I just threw the SUEDE on top of it. So as you can see now, obviously it looks 1,000 times better. This is not glued in and it's not pulled tight. This is just what it naturally looks like when it's just sitting there. Now, as with the door panel stuff, we're going to use this 3M headliner adhesive. Really heavy duty stuff. Got at least a half a can in here, so if I have to buy more during this process, that's gonna stink, but this stuff is very thick, so I'm only gonna apply a little bit at a time, so let me go show you the process. Step one, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the headliner, and then we're gonna spray a little bit on the back side of the headliner fabric itself, let them get tacky, and then we'll bring them together. So this side is extremely tacky. This side's pretty much all covered. Now there's some spots that are not covered. I just don't have so much glue that it's seeping through the fabric. So when going through the headliner, make sure you get all the wrinkles out and there's nothing sticking up. Like this has to go or it's gonna stay. All right, about 80% there. I just wanted to get like about right here and over. I'm just slowly working the edge and moving that way. The camera does not do it justice. It is so pretty. I need to get the edges all tucked and pulled down, but we'll be pretty much good to go. And that's it. Like I said, a super short video, but next week we'll be installing the fiber optics into the headliner, and that's going to be a fun video. So with that being said, I'll see you guys around next week. Stay safe and have a great day.